Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the MOVA Z60 robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So this is everything that comes in the box. Comes with extra bag filters for the dust collector, extra brush heads as well. A bunch of them under there. Comes with extra mop rollers as well. Extra filters. Of course, it comes with some extra roller heads as well. And then you get the solution. This is the pet odor remover. And also the other multi-purpose cleaner. More accessories in here. There's the base station that it sits in. Box. Power cable for the charging base. And all the quick start guides and instructions. Here's the vacuum itself. And so yeah, let's go put this together, test it out, and see how it works. Meet the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, a robot vacuum and mop combo that promises to clean smarter and better than the rest. It features a high-quality camera with multiple LiDAR sensors around the body to help make more precise movements as it's mapping and cleaning around your house, which you can also view from the free MOVA app. Unlike traditional robot mops that drag dirty water around, the Z60 sprays clean water in real time while simultaneously rinsing the mop and removing dirty water. This helps to minimize cross-contamination and keep your floors even more clean. Plus, it uses smart fluffing to keep the mop pad in optimal condition, so you're not stuck with a soggy, flattened cloth after one use. And on the charging station, there is the compartment for the dust bag, so you can easily dump it out after it gets full. And it also has two separate compartments for putting in clean water and another that collects only dirty water, which the robot will automatically empty when it returns to the charging base. And it will also clean off the mop pads, helping to make it easier to clean and maintain. With its auto shield technology, it instantly detects carpeted areas, retracts the mop, and deploys moisture blocking shields. It even lifts its chassis to glide over carpets while maintaining full suction and side brush rotation. That means your rugs stay dry and your vacuum doesn't skip a beat. And thanks to its Maxi Reach tech, both the side brushes and roller mops extend outwards during cleaning. And the mop even runs water while it's extended, giving you a deeper clean right up to the edges. So it's great for taking out those dried stains or anything that's spilled on the floor. It's built for real-world terrain with its Lift Pro chassis and retractable robot legs that help it overcome thresholds, door rails, and obstacles up to 8 centimeters high. So whether it's a thick rug or a raised tile edge, this robot adapts on the fly. And with the free MOVA app, you can find a ton more features to choose from to be able to fine-tune your cleaning experience. You can choose different settings for the mop and vacuum, and you can use the camera view and remote control to use it from anywhere and keep an eye around the house. And you can even create shortcuts like setting certain times to clean and choosing which areas to go to. And you can also set schedules and block different rooms that the robot won't go in. Plus, you can find a ton more features that all help to give you more ways to clean. It's also equipped with a TurboForce 8 high-speed motor that delivers a whopping 28,000 PA of suction. That's enough to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, and even larger debris with ease. In compact areas, the sensor lowers to shrink the robot's profile, and in open zones, it raises for better visibility and precision mapping. And with the Turbo Wave Dual Brush, you get a tangle-free cleaning, so no more cutting hairs out of the rollers every week. And finally, the Duo Solution System is a game changer for homes with pets or high traffic areas. It comes with 2 separate cleaning solutions, one that helps to tackle tough stains, and another for removing pet odors. You just fill up the solution compartment, and the robot will automatically dispense the right solution at the right time as it's mopping, leaving your home not just clean, but feeling fresh. So if you want a robot vacuum that doesn't just clean, but thinks ahead and adapts to your home's layout, then this one is a serious contender. And so yeah, if you are looking for a robot vacuum that cleans and navigates like a pro and mops with precision, definitely check out the MOVA Z60 robot vacuum today. And you can check it out in the link below. See ya.